Bor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka bakhamskem, kamstet, kamklan, batbaduna bam umpnya.
If you're having a good time, say, oh yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the greatest show on earth. We got some of the most amazing dancers from around the world tonight.
Online, that question ni ask mangi nilai online mat ni sapha sathe te hadian macam study ngadong sadong nanti sekila jet unit mati amu lakre ya record haka Snem Shaphang lakre ya record bau lala menjubab katu tuli kijili bat ngatrai kani kerja kani ka record ke create mu ngam try andon balak su ban break nama Snem Shaphang tang ban keren bahar umpat like ndai ini ngam kili mental ka English nama ba ni kayu English ndai bo unang bah sin beliau bro tang nama ba sajam lien ban kili English dengan kili English. Yes, Jude man at Khryiem. Can you tell your name, please? Okay. What is the name of your mother? Yeah. What is the name of your mother? Mama. What is her name? Labafi. Okay. So, can you tell me how many planets are there in the solar system? 8. Good. Very good. Can you name them?
Mercury, Venus and Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune too.
Very good. Okay. Can you tell me something about Mercury?
It's the closest to the sun.
Good. Then, is it how much big it is?
It's 3 times bigger.
No, wrong. Mercury is the largest planet. Is it?
No,
What planet is it than Mercury?
smallest one.
Yes, correct. How many days it take? Mercury, how many days does it take to orbit around the sun?
88.
Very good. Okay, tell me something about the Venus.
It's the hottest planet in the whole solar system.
Very good. The hottest planet in the whole solar system. Now, can you tell me something about the Earth?
It's where we live.
Pardon?
It's where we live.
It is where we live. Okay. What else? Can you tell me something about the Earth?
It is life planet.
It is
Life
planet. Okay. Now, can you tell me something about Mars?
It's the red planet.
It is the red planet. Okay. How many moons does Mars have?
What?
How many moons does Mars have?
2.
2 moons. Can you name them?
Phobos and Deimos.
Very good. After Mars, which planet it comes?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Can you tell me something about Jupiter?
It's the biggest of all planets.
It is the biggest of all the planets. Very good. How many moons does planet Jupiter have?
59.
59 moons. Correct. Can you tell me something about Saturn?
It is the planet who has rings.
It is the planet who has rings. Very good. And what about Uranus? Can you tell me something about Uranus?
It's the icy planet.
It is the icy planet. Can you tell me something about Neptune?
It's the far from the sun.
It is the farthest planet from the sun. Very good, Jude, man at Khryiem.
Suwa baksit ban penbiang ye memento na bantagi tapos ibadai na kaligatan milim konstitusi sa sisi ng soban pangap si kadaya yari na pansuk maka memento pala male ni aktif mentas ni sidin
gamla khrepa semua bat kejagai kumrei ka bakarpang yaitu Heprit Jude menat Khryiem haka kerta ka arsen tam lala bantit ya baru kibir beneng haka selesai sem tiba bat taklit yang abi berkeliru datang buan ngi ngala kelen brain la ku berpang yo Hep Jude menat Khryiem kudai semua ni pigi pa tiba yang basem pila gai you pila betin you nadu ke bedang rit yes kem haka wegasi unselong uplur berkenai bentensan benura ke burung jika yeng jompi jika senong jompi jika jebrehi barok